Very good morning, ladies and gents. Welcome to the week ahead video. The purpose of this video is for those that are subscribed to the signal service to be able to understand the rationale for the signals and also to get insights into the methodology which we follow here, which certainly evolves around market cycles and harmonics to give us turning points. And before going into all that, a risk warning that trading is risky. These trade signals aren't a regulated activity, so you're not going to be protected by the Financial Ombudsman or Compensation Services Scheme. So do bear that in mind. And ultimately, trading is high risk. So do take these considerations into start. We had a good June, quiet start to the month in July, but we've managed to get some good trades away. At the minute, we have this with silver. Now, this is creating an absolute perfect Gartley sell pattern. But this is the danger of trading without context, because yes, this is a valid. I know from my own experience, I used to do exactly these trades. You'd be very successful in the short to making this because the pattern completed here and it gave you a ton of points. However, this is where the market cycle is an important thing to grasp. There's more going on than just this. That's great, but so many traders are selling this here without the realization that there's more going on behind the scene. For example, we've got a day of rise, we've got a second day of rise, anticipated to give us a third day of rise, but market's closed on Friday. Now, for me, this is a long. Even though you've got the Gartley short, I will be sending this out as a long idea. The reason being is that we've got this cycle developing. Can you see how you've got the W, you've got the 1, we've got the 2, and we're starting the third push. 1, 2, anticipate the third. This is a better picture of it. Not super bold. 1 second. Let me just draw these out so they're clearer to see. We have a 1 and we have a 2. Give me 1 second, guys. We've got this situation, a level 1 and a level 2, in context of a huge opportunity. 1, 2, 3. 1, we're expecting 2 to come in, but before that 2 does come in, I do expect us to spike again. Bear that in mind. We also have this A, B, C, D. So we do have quite a bit of signs telling us that second zone of consolidation is around here. And we're targeting up here for the peak, up at 4,900 is a long way to go. Super opportunity on silver. Now let's just go back through the list. Have a look where we sit. Let's start with ADCAD. So ADCAD is something that I'm not really fussed about. Looks messy. You've got the ABCD, which nearly completed down here. You've got push 1, push 2. Is it going to give us a third push? Difficult to know. It looks like it. There doesn't really seem too much for me to do here. Lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs. Okay, I've just had my charts disconnected. Bear with me 1 second. Sorry about that. My charts kicked me out. Back on it. So with ADCAD, we're in a downtrend at the minute. So we're still, the control points are here and here. That's our range. So towards 3/4 of the range, but we are starting to see a bit of structure here. 1, 2, maybe it'll give us another retest of that, but I'm not really getting involved with that because it's not in my favor. ADCHF. So AEDCHF is another ugly looking pattern, but nevertheless, this is still showing us the hallmarks of where we want to be. You got 1, we have 2. I can see push 1, I can see push 2, and I expect push 3 to kick in. At the same time, got a really nice ABCD into resistance. If I can just get so we have this ABCD into resistance, and now what I can see is a week of drop, second week of drop, and anticipating the third. This isn't a high probability trade set up to see lower prices next week. So we'll pass on that. AEDNZD, yeah, this is one that is showing us something, but ultimately this isn't a big downtrend. So you've got, this is all level 1 consolidation, and I do believe we're going to do this. Let's see, AED/USD. The AED/USD starting to tail off again. Amazing market maker cycle. Level 1, level 2. We are here at the minute in this cycle. We're just there expecting a big move lower. Something's going to happen with Australian interest rate decisions. I believe there's an interest rate decision tomorrow night or this week, one of these days. I do expect that to play out short, and I am going to be looking for shorts until this high, 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 low thing's broken down. Moving on, Bitcoin 108. Have I got much to say about that? It's menacingly bullish and strong. But what I can see on the monthly is that we've completed 3 months of rise here. 1, 2, 3. So this is the 4th month, and I do not expect it to continue pushing. This looks pretty much cooked, Bitcoin, but we shall see. Euro AUD is one of my favorite setups at the moment. Reason being is the clarity over what I'm seeing here. I now know this is a level 1, and I now expect this to be level 2. Internally, we have beautiful structure. We have push 1, push 2, and we're just squeezing those highs at the minute. Look at that. It didn't want to close above it. That could be quite telling. But I fully expect this to explode next week. Euro CAD is another one I've got my eye on. Absolute wonderful market cycle. Level 1, level 2, and pushing to level 3. Trades off the 50. Are we going to come back to the 50? Not sure yet. Euro NZD is another one I expect big bullish moves to happen. We've got, I now don't believe that's level 1, but it was level 1 at the time. But these patterns do evolve. Now, this is how I see it. Ultimately, this is high, 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 low, high, 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 low until it isn't. And then we've got level 2, and we expect prices to keep pushing. Bear with me 1 second. Sorry about the pauses, folks. Level 2 rise looks really good. Euro USD, let's have a look. Completing nearly the ABCD. This is level 1. Looks like a really good chart to me, but I believe the cycle's finished in the short term. GBP AUD, similar sort of kettle of fish to Euro AUD and Euro NZD. Expect higher prices. GBP CAD, level 1, level 2. High highs, high lows. This is another one for me next week, really how it's sort of structuring itself. GBP CHF, I believe, is a basket case at the minute, and because of that, I'm not going to get myself into a situation with it. 1, 2, peak. This all could be a level 1 consolidation, but I think it's going to come off more. This isn't enough of a consolidation, really, and we're not above it. We've never threatened it, so pass on that one too. Just got to take high quality trade setups. GBP USD, again, hanging around above the first zone. Yes, we have ABCDs complete up here. Yes, I can count more than 3, and that's enough. NZD CAD, level 1, level 2 peak. This is all level 1. We have this situation here, which interested me. We are still at the lows of level 1. I am still bullish on this, and it looks like a good one. NZD USD, again, similar to AUD USD, expecting lower prices ultimately, but the market's trying to convince us to go long here. We may get up to this ascending trend line. Let's look at gold. Still very steam trainy bullish. Maybe that's a peak. Maybe it's not. I'm not going to trade it. Stellar is having a bit of a push. It needs to do something soon. Stellar. It's such a great piece of tech. USD CAD, again, completed the cycles higher. As you can see, level 1, level 2 peak, match the previous peak. I believe the reset, we may come back down to here. We shall keep an eye, but I can see 1, 2, 3 to the low. Is this a double bottom? We don't know that yet. We have to wait and see. Folks, that's it really. Nothing more to say or complicate. If you are interested in learning more about the methodology or signing up to the signals, please do see the Synergy Signals X page, or alternatively, do message me because I can send you a link as well. Other than that, thanks very much for watching, and catch you next week. Cheers.